Hello, it's Car's FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip, we're going to talk about the main components of car air conditioning system and their functions as well. The compressor, that's the main component of the heart of the air conditioning system. Compressor. The function of compressor is to compress and circulate the freon through the system, through the AC system, and it's located in the engine bay, which is driven by the engine belt. Here's another air conditioning system. The other one is the condenser. Here in the condenser is here. The function of the condenser is to cool and condense the high pressure freon into liquid. It's located in front of the radiator. The next one is the receiver dryer. Receiver dryer, the function of the receiver dryer to filter and remove the moisture contaminants from the freon. The location of the receiver dryer is between the condenser and expansion valve, or after the evaporator, depends from the system type. That's a receiver dryer here. One. High pressure is going in and low pressure is going out. Out of evaporator, yeah. And the receiver dryer. The next thing is the expansion valve. The expansion valve depends from in all the cars. It's a orifice tube. That one, which is in the all the cars. And I want to show that the TXV valve, one type of TXV valve. The function of expansion valve is, or orifice tube, is to reduce the pressure of the freon before and enters to the evaporator. Location is between receiver dryer and evaporator. That's another expansion valve in work. How it's working. But for that we're going to talk in some next video clip about the work. The evaporator is the next element of the AC system. The function of the evaporator is to absorb heat from the air inside the cabin and cool it down. It's located inside the under the dashboard or inside the HVAC box under the dashboard. We have as well a blower motor, which push air through the evaporator into the cabin. Location is inside the dashboard as well. The next components are the pipes and hoses, through which is high pressure and low pressure pipes. The function is to carry freon between the components, as we say, high and low pressure. It's located over the engine bay and interior system. The next one is pressure switches. It's for high pressure switch and low pressure switch. The idea of them is to regulate work of the compressor on the base of the pressure in the system. That's the condenser. The condenser, when the blow motor, which is inside, it's working, it's cooling the condenser, which from gas going to liquid, the freon inside. The resistor is part of the blow motor inside. Its idea is to regulate the work of the blow motor. The TXV valve part. The TXV valve working, or expansion valve working. Thank you very much for visiting Cars FIX Sevt AUTO, and we have another channel which is Peter's Garage. Thank you again.